In this video, we're going to focus on creating the canvas, and this is a part of the Canvas API JavaScript tutorial for beginners, and this is part 1. So what we're going to do here now is just to create a basic canvas and start drawing something on there. But the first goal here, of course, is to create a canvas and just understand a little bit more about what we're doing. So the first thing here, what I want to do here is the canvas, and this is a canvas tag, and what I want to do here, of course, is assign a specific ID. In this case, I'll just give this canvas the ID name of canvas. Very straightforward. And once we have this and save this and refresh, you might notice nothing happened, but if I open up my developer tab, you can see here the canvas is being shown. There's just only one thing here, is that the canvas doesn't show anything in a color. So what we can do here, of course, is to assign a background color. So I'm going to do here a hashtag for the ID, canvas, and then here we're going to say here background or background color indicate black. If I save this now and refresh, now we have a nice black rectangle here, which is the canvas itself. So before we can do anything else, and later on we will adjust the size of this, I want to focus here first on drawing something. So how can we do that? So for that, we need to create a script tag, and the goal here with the script tag is basically because, remember, the canvas and the canvas API is a JavaScript command, but we're in essence using a different type of language. Well, it is JavaScript, but you can see this is really specifically written for the canvas. So let's start and work on doing something here so we can understand how we can draw a shape or an element on the canvas. So the first thing what I want to do here is to grab the canvas or the element with this ID. To do that, I'm going to say a constant, and this will be our canvas as our constant variable, and then we're going to say here document.getElement by ID. And what this truly means is go search in the HTML document here, or basically this document, for a element. And an element, we can call that in JavaScript, they call this an element, and in CSS as well, or something they call a syntax. But basically it's an element, and then with the ID name of canvas. So I'm going to put it here, this is a string value, there we are. So the moment we do this, we're not done yet, but we have selected the item, and now what we want to do is we want to give the command to draw. Drawing the command, we're going to use another constant, and this constant, very often, many people refer this to CTX, but basically it means context, although you can use any variable or constant name you want because it's just a constant. However, what it really does is the following. We want to grab here this specific canvas because this is the canvas that we're referencing to, and then dot, and then we're going to say here get context. And what this really means is basically to draw something. We want to draw something in our canvas, and what we're going to draw is specifically to the commands. Basically, this is regarding to the canvas itself, because if you are familiar with other types, there's like SVG, and we have also WebGL. Although SVG doesn't work in here, but WebGL does. However, that's a different topic at all. We don't want this. We're going to use 2D, and the reason why is because this is very connected with chartjs, because chartjs uses the canvas with the 2D context. Alright, so now we have this, and if we save this now, we can refresh here, nothing really happens. But we have now access to draw something in here. And what I want to do here, just for now, create a very simple item. And in other videos, we'll go more deeper in explaining this, but right now, just to draw something to confirm if this is working. So what we're going to do here is basically the following. I'm going to say here a CTX, which basically means draw. This is the drawing command. Draw in where? In the canvas. As you can see, they're all connected with each other. So draw in the canvas, and then we can say here, first of all, a fill style, which would indicate draw a color. And what I want to do here is I'm going to use a specific color that I use very often for my chartjs videos. So I'm going to say RGBA, and then I'm going to make this a reddish color, 255, 26, 104, 1, sorry. Not 0.1. Why? This is the alpha value, so I don't want any transparency. I wanted to make sure that it's a solid color. Next, what I want to do here now is to draw the shape. I'm going to make a very simple square. So I'm going to type in here CTX. And then we're going to say here fill rectangle. And this fill rectangle consists of certain variables. What these are, I will explain later on. Don't worry about this. For now, I will just say here 10 pixel by 10 pixel, because I'm going to make a square that is 10 pixels in height and in width and positioned 10 pixels away from the side and from the bottom. However, later on I will explain this all. Save this, refresh, and you can see here now we have this pixel here. What we could do here is maybe emphasize this a bit more. If I save this 2020, then we have a bigger square here. Alright, so we have this now, and that looks all fine. So what I want to do eventually is to make sure that this is a huge full screen, and in the next video we're going to cover how we can do this a full screen the right way, because if you would just do basic with 100% here, you get pixelated items. So next video we'll cover that.